Okay, free resources. So this is essentially homework for you to do. Look, this is going to take effort. Learning how to be anything. There's a lot of comparisons between voiceover and sports. You need a coach, you need training, you need practice, practice, practice. I want to be a voiceactor.com. Please read the entire website. vobuzzweekly.com has over 300 interviews for free with working voiceover artists, with talent managers, and with talent agents. They literally tell you everything you need to know. They explain their exact journey from wanting to do voiceover to now working full-time as a voiceover artist. These are free 30-minute to 1-hour interviews, and it is incredible information. Also, you can listen to a variety of podcasts. I recommend the Mike Lenz podcast, Mike Lenz. It is same thing, the story of voice actors. Listening to voice artists' stories of how they went from their whatever career, day job, high school, college, or, maybe one job, a lawyer or a doctor or something else, to getting into voiceover. It's a journey. So I want you to understand that you wanting to learn how to do voiceover and get into the business is also going to be a journey. No one's going to just hand you anything. These are things you have to discover for yourself and grow. If you're all of a sudden taken into, 3 months from now, if someone time warps you into 3 years from now, you're going to be lost. You're not going to know what you're doing. You need to have that context of a journey in order to succeed. You can also go to Voice Casting Hub, HUB, voicecastinghub.com, and click on agencies. That is a list of every talent agency in the United States. Or you can go to voiceoverresourceguide.com. That also has a list of all the coaches, all the demo producers, and all of the talent agencies in the United States. So you can also look up Gravy for the Brain, gravy as in the sauce, for the brain.com. And they have a variety of free practice scripts, I believe, that you can go on and practice. So right now, you're just in the information soaking stage. You're hopping on YouTube or you're on your phone. You're just learning people's stories or learning about the business. Before you can even, try. Sorry, I'm just really want to hammer it home that you need to do your research. You need to study. You have to do your homework in order to succeed. Understand who the players are. Understand how it all works. Understand acting. And listening to these stories will help you immensely.